Paris completely empty. No crowds, no chaos. Just this This version of Paris only exists for a few moments each morning. And if you're here right now, you're about to see something most people never do. Because in just a little while, everything you're looking at will change. So don't rush. Walk slowly. Let this moment sink in. Because this is where the story begins. This is Tripin, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. It's early, earlier than the city is ready for. The streets feel untouched, like no one has walked here in hours. Every step echoes, just a little louder than expected. And somehow, that silence feels comforting. You start noticing details. The texture of the pavement, the faint glow of street lamps still holding on, the way the buildings stand quietly and like they're waiting for something. And maybe they are. Because right now, Paris isn't performing. It's just existing. Have you ever seen a place like this? Not rushed, not crowded, just calm and real. Look closely. Something is changing. That soft light. Wasn't there a moment ago? Now it's touching the edges of the buildings. Slowly, quietly. Almost like it doesn't want to be noticed. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. The shadows begin to shift. The sky softens. And suddenly, Paris feels warmer. This is the turning point. The moment between night and day, where everything feels suspended in time, and it won't last long. Listen, did you hear that? A door opens. A quiet clatter. Somewhere. A cafe is coming to life. Chairs scrape gently across the ground. A cup is placed on a counter. Coffee begins to pour. And somehow, these small sounds feel louder than the busiest streets. One person walks by, then another. A cyclist glides through the silence. Gone in seconds, These are the first moments of the day, the ones most people sleep through. But they're also the most honest. No performances, no distractions, just people. Starting their day. How many stories are beginning right now? Hunch in windows you can't see. Listen carefully now. The silence is breaking. More footsteps. Voices in the distance. The rhythm of the city is returning. A car passes. Another cafe opens. Laughter. Faint but growing. The Paris everyone knows is coming back, but just a few minutes ago, this place felt completely different. Slower, quieter, almost like a secret. And if you didn't see it, you'd never know it existed.
Vas-y. Moi, je dirais plus.
And just like that, it's gone. The quiet, the stillness. That version of Paris has disappeared into the day. But maybe that's what makes it so unforgettable. Not because it lasts, but because it doesn't. You were here for it. You saw it. You felt it. And for a few minutes, you experienced a side of Paris that most people never will. So next time you think of this city, remember this version too. The quiet one. The honest one. The one that exists just before the world wakes up. this walk made you slow down, even for a moment, stay a little longer, because somewhere in the world, another quiet morning is waiting to be discovered. And if you want to experience more moments like this, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next walk.